Hi! Welcome and welcome back sa aking channel. So, in this video guys is magre-review tayo ng isang lending application na nagpapautang na naman daw up to 50,000 pesos. So, from 2,000 to 50,000 pesos. And loan duration nito is 90 days to 180 days. But before we go on guys, mga hindi pa nag-subscribe na hit ang bell button para ma-update kayo sa coming videos and tutorials. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in this video nga guys is magre-review tayo ng isa na namang loan application guys. And bagong-bago ang loan application na ito. And nagpapautang sila up to 50,000 pesos. Ayan. So sabi dito up to 15,000 pesos. So siguro itong 15,000 pesos is first loan. Ayan. Kasi sabi dun sa amount about application is 50,000 pesos. And up to 120 days ang loan term nito guys. And wag kayo guys kasi nga may kaparehas ang loan application na ito. So, let's see kung okay ba talaga sila or hindi. Alright guys, so ang loan application na ito ay si bKash Online Microloan. Ayan, so microloan and powered by CashB. Ayan, so sister company siguro or sister loan application ni CashB. And meron silang 2.9 na stars and 88 reviews. Ayan. So, upon downloading guys, makikita natin dito or mag-sila na naman ng phone number. Ayan. And syempre, mabasahin natin ang mga privacy policy and everything guys. Ayan. So, accept lang natin yun. And then, we will move to our personal information. So, agad-agad is yung personal information ang tatanungin sa atin. Like name, middle name, surname, Facebook profile. So, tatanungin ulit ang ating Facebook profile, mga kaibigan. So, next is yung email address natin. So, after which, proceed na tayo and we will go naman sa identification. So, sa identification naman guys ay mga UMID ID, SSS, ayan yung mga magagamit dito. And syempre, picture and then we will upload and after which is next na natin. Ayan. So, by the way guys, ang mga kailangan natin palang mga ID is driver's license, passport, old and new ay pwede sa kanila. Ayan. And postal ID, PRC ID, and UMID ID. So, yun po yung mga ID sa kanila. Okay? So, after which is ito namang emergency contact. So, sa kanila guys is isa lang. Ayan. Isa lang ang pwede nating ilagay. Ayan. So, hindi sila masyadong stricto, di ba? So, sabi dito, kindly complete the desired information for faster transaction. So, relationship, contact number, and yung full name. Ayan. So, after which is meron silang backup contacts. So, kung matatandaan nyo sa CashB, kung nakita nyo yung aking vlog, yung mga nakaraan, is nangangailangan sila ng 9 na contact reference. By the way, dito naman sa bKash na ito guys is nangangailangan sila ng emergency contact na isa but then meron ilalagay na backup contact. So siguro pag hindi tayo na-reach in case na overdue tayo is ito rin ang kanilang bulabugin guys. Ayan. So kailangan sila ng 5 na contact person. So bale 6 ang kailangan nating ilagay dito sa application na ito guys. Okay? So, after which ay submit na natin. So, next thing is ang ating employment. Ayan. So, sa employment guys is kailangan nilang occupation name, ayan, years of working, salary, company name, contact company, job description. So, ang dami-dami guys. So, basahin nyo na lang sa screenshot. Ayan. So, next thing is, sabi dito, grow your maximum credit up to 50,000 pesos. So, ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina na 50,000 pesos daw yung maximum na pwede nating ma-avail sa kanila. And sabi dito, may VIP. So, may pa-VIP guys. Build your credit score with bKash. Repay your loan on time to have a good credit standing. Increase your level or credit level to loan up to 50,000 pesos. So, basically, parehas sila dun sa regular na naglo-loan or normal na loan sa VIP status. Ayan. And then, meron silang isang option dito na pwede nating pagkakitaan. Ayan. Earn through referral. Ayan. Earn extra cash by sharing bKash to your family and friends. Hindi ko alam kung paano yun guys, pero ito pala siya. So, refer a friend. Ayan. Refer invites pag 5 pesos daw per registration. Pag kunyari nag-refer sila or may nag-register under your code is meron kayong 5 pesos. Application bonus 10 pesos for first loan or first valid loan application kung nag-apply sila. Parang ganun. And then success reward 50 pesos after the first payment. Kung nakapagbayad yung under your referral. Ayan. So, pag nag-invite ka, may 5 pesos. And then, pag nag-apply sila, 10, so 15. And then, pag nag-loan sila, is plus 50. So, that is 60 pesos na dagdag siguro sa makukuha mo sa loan mo pag in case na mag-loan ka, ganyan. So, after nating mabasa yun, guys, para naman ma-enlighten tayo, is next na natin, ayan. So, gaya nga sa Cashbee, ay ganito din ang kanilang dashboard. So, select loan amount, ayan, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 7, 10, and 11. Select loan term, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days. So, yung sinasabi nila na 50 pesos or 50,000 pesos ay hindi po natin agad-agad na ma-avail. Okay? So, first thing is 2,000 pesos. So, pipiliin natin kunyari 2,000 pesos and then next natin, ayan. So, select withdrawal channel agad-agad yung magpapakita sa atin, ayan. So, meron ditong bank and GCash. So, confirm lang natin and then next thing is ito na, deliver you to the loan you need. Ayan, loan status. So, sabi dito na for evaluation na ang ating loan, guys. Ayan. So, 11,000. Duration is 60 days and yung application date. Ayan. So, kunyari pag nag-loan tayo ng ganun, ang approved na loan natin, so, inaasahan na natin yun is 2,000 pesos. So, yun ang pinaka-first na approved na loan natin kay Bcash. So, parehas talaga ni Cashbee. Baka anak ni Cashbee to. Okay, so amount received is 1,040. Oh my God. So, magkano yung mga binawa? So, 960, something like that. And payment term is 14 days. Okay. And amount to pay is 2K. So, halos parehas nga sila ni Cashbee, guys. Kasi nga, siguro anak ni Cashbee to. Ayan. Or sister ni Cashbee. Kasi nga, sa first na loan ko din sa Cashbee dati is 2,000 pesos. And halos half din ang bawas nun, guys. So, parehas lang dito sa Bcash na to. So, Bcash, Cashbee. O, diba? Parang iniba lang. So, that's it, my video kay Bcash. And I hope na nakatulong ang video ito sa mga nagbabalak dyan. So, anong masasabi nyo? Okay ba sila or hindi? Please comment down below sa mga nakapag-try, guys. Para ma-enlighten din kami kay Bcash. Kung talaga nga bang ganito talaga sila o ano pa. So, thank you for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Like and subscribe!